Hey y'all, hope everybody is doing good. Hope you're having a wonderful 4th of July. And I was just going to hop on here and kind of let y'all know what's been going on today. I did have a little bit of activity. Paul had went down to mow a man's yard and I was in the pool. Well, I started smelling that, strong smell again. And then a little bit later, I started hearing what sounded like rock clacks coming from the woods here behind the house. And then Paul came back and he left out again to go. He was going to blade the driveway. And I heard a knock come from, which would be the opposite side of the house. And it was a pretty loud knock. But, that's pretty much it. But we're going to go check game cameras. And so I'm going to take y'all along for that. And then we're going to ride up to on the other 40 up to the top of the hill later and see if we can see some fireworks. So I'm going to take y'all along for that too. But I was going to try to show y'all. My daughter bought me this shirt. It says, "Celebrate your independence." And it's got Sasquatch holding an American flag. But anyways, I'll be back here in a little bit, y'all. Paul spotted something. I don't want to get ticks, y'all, but I gotta go check this out. This was not here before. I'll probably get chiggers too. Oh boy. Sorry, y'all. I'm all over the place. But this right here, I'm going through spider webs and everything. That has just recently been done. Oh, got spiders crawling on me, y'all. Just want y'all to look at all that. And there's another limb here. That one right there goes up, goes through that fork. Sorry, I'm walking through spider webs. But that has not been here. I just heard something over there. Oh, so that has spider webs in them. Yeah, the tree bows are tannerite, are pointed. Wow, there's two. Check that out. These have not been here. And that tree there has been pushed over. Yeah, there was two bows. That's two bows. And there was two people camping just right up the path from here. So I hope I'm getting this good enough, y'all. I'm trying to watch where I step. Watch for ticks. Snakes. I don't know what that conglomeration is over there, if that's anything. There's another little bow back there. There's another log back there. Hope y'all can see it. I really don't want to walk back there just because I don't have my boots on. But anyways, we're back at the house for a second. Paul had to run in and get something. But we're getting ready to head up to the top of the power line up there. I don't know if we'll be able to see any fireworks or not, but it'll still be fun. So, but I don't know what y'all think about that tree structure. I don't know. All I know is that it hasn't been there. So, I don't know, y'all. That was kind of weird. Anyways, I'll be back shortly. Just gonna sit here and wait. I don't know if we'll be able to see fireworks, but there's plenty going off around us, so I don't know, maybe we'll get to see something. But I'm gonna have to watch my battery, so I'll come back on once we see fireworks or if we start hearing activity. we come up here on the hill to see if we could see fireworks, and found this conglomeration. Paul said he had put the bigger stuff there, he thought. The big stuff, but the other stuff he did not. That was a loud bang. But he said he did not put that little stuff on there. Very weird. Well, we're back and getting ready to go in. I hope y'all enjoyed that. I hope everybody had a wonderful 4th of July. And I just want to say that those fireworks were amazing, y'all. I've seen a lot of fireworks displays from, you know, like SeaWorld, St. Louis at the Arch, and for some reason, though, that I just watched was just, it was just amazing. But anyways, I'm gonna get off here. I love and appreciate y'all. God bless America. Please keep us safe. And I pray that he keeps all of y'all safe. And I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend. And once again, I just really do love y'all.